To use an American Express gift card on Roblox, start by logging into your Roblox account and navigating to the Roblox website. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select the Robux option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Robux purchase page where you can select the amount of Robux you want to buy. Choose the amount you want and click on the Buy Robux button. You will then be taken to a payment page where you can select your payment method. Click on the Redeem a Gift Card option and select American Express as your gift card type. Enter the gift card number and the security code located on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the information correctly as it will be required to complete the transaction. Once you have entered the gift card information, click on the Submit button to complete the transaction. If the transaction is successful, the Robux will be added to your account immediately. You can then use the Robux to purchase items from the Roblox catalog or to access premium features on the site. It is essential to note that American Express gift cards can only be used to purchase Robux and not to buy premium subscriptions or to make other types of purchases on the site. Also, make sure to check the balance on your gift card before attempting to make a purchase to ensure that you have sufficient funds. Using an American Express gift card on Roblox is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking note of the key concepts and best practices outlined, you can easily use your American Express gift card to purchase Robux and enhance your gaming experience on Roblox.